Hi students, we are from ScoreUp. We are here to make your studies more easier and interesting. Watch our tips and tricks motivational videos for getting full marks in biology. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification. You can ask doubt in comment section and also join our Telegram group. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. This video definitely helps you, so watch this video till the end. Cry-Due-Chat syndrome in human is caused by the fertilization of XX egg by abnormal Y-bearing sperm, loss of half of short arm chromosome 5, loss of half of the long arm of chromosome 5, trisomy of 21st chromosome. So it is happening loss of half of the short arm of the chromosome 5. Chromosome 5 la short arm la chromosome 5 la short arm la ஏற்படுற ஒரு loss, ஒரு half வந்து loss ஆயிடுது. அதனால ஏற்படுறது தான் இந்த syndrome. So answer வந்து என்னன்னா B. Antibodies in our body are complex. Lipoprotein, steroids, prostaglandin, glycoprotein. Actually, it is antibodies. Actually, it is made up of glycoprotein. So, answer is D. HIV that causes AIDS first start destroying B lymphocytes, leukocytes, thrombocytes, T lymphocytes, helper T lymphocytes. So it attacked first destroying helper T lymphocytes. That's why AIDS is very difficult to cure. So answer D. Sickle cell anemia has not been eliminated from the African population because it is controlled by recessive genes. It is not a fatal disease. It provides immunity against malaria. It is controlled by dominant gene. Actually, it provides, the sickle cell anemia provides immunity against malaria. So, sickle cell anemia வந்தவங்களுக்கு malaria வர்றது கஷ்டம். ஏன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sickle cell anemia has not been eliminated from the African population because it provides immunity against malaria. So malaria என்ன பண்ணுது? மலேரியால அந்த ரெட் பிளட் RBC வந்து என்ன ஆகுது? அட்டாக் ஆகுது. எது அட்டாக் பண்ணுது? இந்த ஸ்போரோசோயிட்ஸ் வந்து லிவர்ல போய் இருக்கிறதுனால அது மல்டிப்ளை ஆகுது. மல்டிப்ளை ஆயிட்டு பிளட் ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல கலக்கும்போது கலந்துட்டு அது ஆர்பிசியை அட்டாக் பண்ணுது. இப்போ இங்க இந்த ஆர்பிசியை இங்க வந்து சிக்கிள் செல்லா இருந்ததுன்னா அது எப்படி அட்டாக் பண்ணும்? ஸோ மலேரியா வந்து வர்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் ரொம்ப குறைவு சிக்கிள் செல் அனீமியா பீப்புளுக்கு. ஸோ அதனால தான் இந்த கம்யூனிட்டி அந்த பாப்புலேஷன்ல இருந்து இது சிக்கிள் செல் அனீமியாவை எலிமினேட் பண்றதுன்றது இட் இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். ஸோ ஆன்சர் C. Both sickle cell anemia, Huntington disease, chorea or bacteria related disease, congenital disorder, pollutant induced disorder, then virus related disease. Actually, so answer is congenital disorder. Both are congenital disorder. Answer B. In a figure below shows an angiogram of the coronary blood vessel. Which one of the following statement correctly described? Here we have to pick out a correct description. What is being done? It is a coronary artery which has a cancerous growth that is being removed. No. It is a coronary artery which is blocked by a plaque and the same is being cracked. Yes, this is correct. It is coronary vein, not coronary vein. So it is not coronary vein, coronary artery only. Answer B. So increased asthmatic attack in certain regions are related to low temperature, hot and humid environment, eating fruits preserved in tin container, inhalation of seasonal pollen. Actually, it is seasonal pollen inhalation. The inhale பண்றதுனால தான் asthma வந்து வருது. So answer D. Lysozyme that is present in perspiration, saliva, tears destroys most virus infected cells, certain fungi, certain types of bacteria, all viruses. So it destroys bacteria only. So the answer is C. Answer C. Which one of the following conditions in human is correctly matched with its chromosomal abnormality linkage? Erythroblastosis fetalis X-linked, Down syndrome 44 autosomes plus XO, Klinefelter syndrome 44 autosome plus XSY, color blindness Y-linked. So it is a Klinefelter syndrome. Abnormalities. Klinefelter syndrome, it is XXY. Answer is C. The most active phagocytic white blood cells are eosinophils and lymphocytes, neutrophils and monocytes, neutrophils and eosinophils, lymphocytes and macrophages. The answer is neutrophils and monocytes. See, phagocytic white blood cells என்ன செய்து neutrophils phagocytic white blood cells வந்து எதுனாக்கா ஆக்டிவா இருக்கிறது neutrophilsம் monocyteம் தான். So answer B. Match the disease in column 1 with the appropriate items, pathogen, prevention, treatment in column 2. Here, amoebiasis, Treponema pallidum, diphtheria, use only sterilized food and water, cholera, syphilis, DPT vaccine, use oral dehydration. See, actually, amoebiasis, use only sterilized food and water. See, amoebiasis வந்து எதுக்கு prevention, இது வந்து prevention தான் இது. So amoebiasis வராம பார்க்கணும்னா எப்படி sterilized food water தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So 2 amoebia Aக்கு வந்து 2னு ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் எதெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போம். So 3 ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு. So இந்த 3 ஆப்ஷன்ல எதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். அடுத்தது diphtheria. Diphtheria பாத்தீங்கன்னா diphtheriaக்கு DPT vaccine போடுறோம் நம்ம. So 3 2 3. So ஏக்கு அப்புறம் Bக்கு 3 உள்ள ஆப்ஷன் எது? So இங்க B தான் இருக்கு. இதுல 1 ன்னு இருக்கு, இதுல 4 ன்னு இருக்கு. So இந்த ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷனும் கிடையாது. So ஆப்ஷன் ஆன்சர் B. B ல தான் 3 இருக்கு. Cholera, C choleraக்கு என்ன? 4. Use oral rehydration therapy choleraக்கு. Syphilisக்கு என்ன? Treponema pallidum. So இதெல்லாம் தான் match. Answer வந்து B. To which type of barrier under innate immunity do the saliva in the mouth and the tears from the eyes belong? So physiological barrier, physical barrier, cytokinin barrier, cellular barrier. Answer, it is physiological barrier. Physiological barrier. Under that only saliva in the mouth, tears are coming. So answer is A. Which one of the following is the correct statement regarding the particular psychotropic drug specified? Morphine leads to delusion and disturbed emotion. Barbiturates cause relaxation and temporary euphoria. Hashish cause afterthought perception and hallucination. Opium stimulate nervous system and cause hallucination. இப்போ இங்க என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? Correct statement. Particular psycho இதுல correct எதுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா B தான் correct. So answer is B. In a standard ECG, which one of the following alphabets is a correct representation of the respective activity of the human heart? P. Depolarization or repolarization. S. Starts of systole, end of diastole. So P. With respect to human heart, alphabets. Correct representation. So P இதுதான் வந்து கரெக்டா நம்ம சொல்றோம். P is the depolarization of atria. So answer is A. Which one of the following statement is correct? Malignant tumors may exhibit metastasis. Patients who have undergone surgery or given cannabinoids to relieve pain. Benign tumor show the property of metastasis. Heroin accelerate body function. Actually, malignant tumors may exhibit metastasis. So this one is correct. So answer A. Which of the following a pair of virus disease? Typhoid, tuberculosis, ringworm, AIDS. Then common cold and AIDS, dysentery, common cold. See which one is viral disease. இந்த இடத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா typhoid வந்து viral disease கிடையாது. ringworm வந்து viral disease கிடையாது. இதுல dysentery. So இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா common cold AIDS தான் viral disease. So answer C. Here, a person likely to have developed tetanus is immunized by administering. So, tetanus affect ஆனவங்களுக்கு எப்படி immunize பண்ணுவாங்க? Weakened germ, dead germ, then performed antibodies, wide spectrum antibiotics. So, they will performed antibodies. Answer is C. Use of antihistamine and steroids give a quick relief from headache, nausea, allergy, cough. So the answer is allergy. So antihistamine and steroids give quick relief for allergy. Allergy க்கு தான் வந்து antihistamine and steroids கொடுப்பாங்க. So answer is B. The genetic defect adenosine deaminase deficiency ADA may be performed by enzyme replacement therapy, periodic infusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes having functional ADA, cDNA, so administering adenosine deaminase activator, introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into cells at early embryonic stage. So answer is introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into cells at early embryonic stages. So the genetic defect adenosine deaminase deficiency may be cured. So at embryonic stage itself it may be cured. So answer D. The letter T in T lymphocytes refers to thymus, thyroid, thalamus, tonsil. It resembles to thymus. So answer is A. Viral test is used for diagnosis of typhoid, pneumonia, malaria, tuberculosis. Actually, it is cured for viral test is utilized for finding out typhoid. So, answer is A. Ringworm in human is caused by viruses, bacteria, fungi, nematodes. So, no virus is not causing vermin, that is Helminthes disease. So, fungi also not there. So, bacteria it is not. So, it is nematodes. Answer is D. Consider the following 4 statements regarding kidney transplant and select 2 correct ones out of this. Even if the kidney transplant is proper, first of all 2 correct one out of this. இதுல 4 statementல 2 correct. அது என்னன்றது பார்க்கணும். So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா even if a kidney transplant is proper recipient may need to take immunosuppressant for a long time. If kidney transplant is proper, the recipient may take immunosuppressant கண்டிப்பா long time க்கு எடுத்துக்கணும். So this is correct. Then the cell mediated immune response responsible for the graft injection, that also correct. So AB is correct. B lymphocytes are responsible for rejection. No. So this is also the acceptance of rejection kidney transplantation depend on specific interferon. This is also no. So AB, which option containing AB? So A option containing AB. Answer is A. Which one of the following statement is correct with respect to AIDS? So the causative HIV retrovirus enters helper T lymphocytes, thus reducing their numbers. Yes, it is true. Then HIV can be transmitted through eating food together with an infected person. No. Drug addicts are at least susceptible to HIV infection. No. AIDS patient are being fully cured 100% with proper care and nutrition. No. So answer is A. Select the correct statement from one given below. Cocaine is given to patient after surgery as it stimulates recovery. Barbiturate when given to criminals make them tell truth. Morphine is often given to persons who have undergone surgery as a painkiller. Chewing tobacco lowers blood pressure and heart rate. So morphine is often given to persons who have undergone surgery as a painkiller. So answer is C. A person suffering from a disease caused by Plasmodium experiences recurring chill and fever at the time when the trophozoites reach maximum growth and give out some certain toxins. So A is correct. Then the parasite after its rapid multiplication inside RBC, it will not multiply, it enlarges. So this option is wrong. Microgametocytes and megagametocytes are being destroyed by WBC. No. Sporozoites released from RBCs are being rapidly killed. No. Not the sporozoites not released from RBC. It is from liver. So answer is A. Which one of the following technique is safest for detection of cancer? Radiography, computed tomography, histopathological studies, magnetic resonance imaging. See, regarding cancers, magnetic resonance imaging is safest detection. So answer is D. Which of the following is correct regarding HIV, hepatitis, pneumoconiosis? HIV virus. HIV is a virus. Both are disease. HIV and hepatitis is a virus. Pneumoconiosis is a disease. So HIV, hepatitis are viral disease. Pneumoconiosis is bacterial disease. No. All are viral disease. No. HIV is a virus. Both are, other two are diseases. So answer is A. Find out the correct identification of PQRST in the given graph. PQ. What is PQ? P is, what is the depolarization? Here what is given here, represent tricuspid, no, bicuspid, no, T wave, no. So answer is C. At which age of HIV, which stage of HIV infection does one usually show symptoms of AIDS? When the infecting retrovirus enters host cell, when the viral DNA is produced by reverse transcriptase, then when HIV replicates rapidly in helper T lymphocytes and damages large number of these. So within 15 days sexual contact with an infected person. No, symptoms on the when HIV replicates rapidly in helper T lymphocytes and damages large number of helper T lymphocytes. So answer is C.